Hello and welcome to the News on Map World Series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be covering topics which are important from General Studies Paper 1, that is Geography Map section. So first of all, let's begin with the previous session question, and the question was, consider the following pairs. On one side place is given while on the other side country is mentioned. So the first pair was island of Crete, that is Greece. Second was Saging, that is Myanmar. Third was Nusantara, that is Indonesia. How many of the above pairs are correctly matched? Only one, only two, all three? None of these. So let us see the answer. So let us first of all talk about the island of Crete, which is present in Greece. So Greece is one of the European country, and you can say one of the South European countries it is. And if we talk about the island of Crete, then it is not associated with the mainland of Greece, while it is situated at a distance, and that is why it is known as island. So the Crete island is the largest island of Greece. So Greece and Crete island, this pair is correct. So the island of Crete is the largest island in the Greece, and it is also the fifth largest island in the Mediterranean Sea. Now coming on to the second pair, that is Saging in Myanmar. So if we will look at the map of Myanmar, then the Saging region of the Myanmar is present in the North Myanmar, and to be specific, the Northwest Myanmar, and this is the region of Saging in Myanmar. So the Saging region is an administrative region of Myanmar. So it is an administrative region of Myanmar. So the second pair is also correct. And if we talk about Nusantara, then Nusantara is one of the major cities of Indonesia, and it is present on the Borneo Island, on the southern side of Borneo Island. And Borneo Island is an island which has a region of Malaysia also, Indonesia also, and of it Borneo also. So it is present in the Borneo Island, and Nusantara is also a place where the shifting of capital of Indonesia talks always goes on. Then the name of the Nusantara comes up. So island of Crete, Greece, correct. Saging, Myanmar, correct. Nusantara, Indonesia, correct. So all three pairs are correct. So the correct answer becomes option C, that is all three. Now moving on to today's session. So the first question talks about, consider the following statements, and there are three statements given. First, it is one of the two most strategically important artificial waterways in the world. Second, it connects the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Third, it is based on the use of system of locks and water elevator to move ships from one ocean to another. Which of the following places best relates to the above description? So that is Suez Canal, Panama Canal, Kiel Canal, or Corinth Canal. So let us talk about few of the biggest hints from this question is artificial waterways, Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, and system of locks and water elevators. So through the system of locks and water elevators, you should be able to get to the answer. So the answer is Panama Canal, and Panama Canal is situated between the North American continent and the South American continent. So it is basically in the Latin American continent, Latin American countries, and it passes through the Panama country, and there is a lake also which is present in it and performs a very major role, and that is the freshwater lake, and the name of the lake is the Lake Gatun, and Lake Gatun is situated at a height, and the Panama Canal connects the Pacific Ocean with the Atlantic Ocean, and it is very important from the economic perspective also, as the around 6 to 8% of the world's trade passes through the Panama Canal, and it saves a lot of time for the ships to pass through it. But now the problem is that with the climate change problem increasing and is becoming more and more severe, so the water of the Lake Gatun is drying up, and the problem with regard to the shifting of ships from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean and from the Pacific Ocean to the Atlantic Ocean is becoming difficult. And Panama Canal was also in news with regards to the remarks made by the President of America, Donald Trump, that the Panama Canal must come under the administration of the US again. And the process with regards to the lock and move forward process, as the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean are situated at different heights from each other. So the ships moves to inside the Lake Gatun, and then the height of the ships keeps on increasing through the lock and move forward aspect, and then again the ships are carried at a lower side, and then it moves into the Pacific Ocean to measure the height difference. So, and it is also one of the artificial or the man-made waterways, and the other one, other artificial and man-made waterway example is the Suez Canal. So, it is one of the most strategically important artificial waterways in the world, correct? It connects the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, correct? It is based on the use of a system of locks and water elevators to move ships from one ocean to another ocean. So, the answer becomes option B, that is Panama Canal. Now, moving on to the next question, Tuti Island. So, Tuti Island, which was in the news recently, is located in which country? So, that is Sudan, Egypt, Ethiopia or South Sudan. So, let us look at it. So, if we talk about the Tuti Island, then the Tuti Island is situated in the country Sudan, and Sudan is a country which lies in the African continent. So, if we will talk about the Tuti Island, then this is the location of the Tuti Island, very strategic location, because it is the Tuti Island where the White Nile River and the Blue Nile River, they both come and forms the Nile River, and they move in the northward direction. So, the White Nile River plus the Blue Nile River equals to Nile River takes place at the Tuti Island, and the location is present in Sudan. And the capital of Sudan is what? What is the capital of Sudan? We have discussed this in many times. So, that is Khartoum. Now, since the recent outbreak of civil war between the Sudan army and the rapid support forces, Tuti Island has been ravaged by violence and occupation. Now, about Tuti Island, one of the oldest settlements in the city, known for its greenery and agriculture. Then the island is spread over 8 square kilometers in area and was traditionally dependent on farming and fishing, which entered it the nickname Garden of Khartoum. And Mahas holds deep cultural significance for the country. So, the question, let us come back to Tuti Island, which was recently in news, is located in which country? So, the correct answer becomes option A, that is Sudan. Now, next question, consider the following. So, there are 4 countries given, that is France, India, Germany and Italy. How many of the above are members of the India, Middle East, Europe Economic Corridor, known by the name of IMEC? So, that is only 1, only 2, only 3 or all. So, IMEC. So, recently India and Italy, it is India and Italy which have agreed to further strengthen their strategic cooperation in key areas including trade, defense, clean energy and high technology. And IMEC is a multimodal connectivity project. When we say multimodal connectivity projects, it means it has different modes of connectivity, like for example, ship, that is the maritime route, the railway route, the road route, and it was formalized through a MOU signed during the G20 summit which took place in New Delhi in the year 2023. And the stakeholders in the IMEC are India, European Union, France, Germany. So, Germany is there, France is there, India is there, Italy, Saudi Arabia, UAE and the United States. So, look at this map. This talks about the IMEC, India, Middle East. So, they moving from Mumbai in India through the maritime route to the UAE, and then from UAE through the road or the rail route to Saudi Arabia, then from Saudi Arabia through the rail route to Jordan, from Jordan to Israel, then again using the maritime route and then reaching to France, and from France to the other European countries. So, members of the IMEC, France, yes, India, yes, Germany, yes, and Italy, yes. So, all 4 are the members. So, the correct answer becomes option D, that is all. Next question, the Taiwan Strait. So, the Taiwan Strait serves as a sea route between which of the following? And the options are Andaman Sea and the South China Sea, South China Sea and East China Sea, Sea of Japan and Yellow Sea, East China Sea and Sea of Okhotsk. So let us talk about the Taiwan Strait. And if we talk about the Taiwan Strait, then this is the island Taiwan and this is China. And between China and Taiwan lies the Taiwan Strait. This is the Taiwan Strait, and if we will look at the map, then this is the South China Sea and this is the East China Sea. So, the South China Sea is connected to the East China Sea through the Taiwan Strait. So, South China Sea and East China Sea, that is option B. So, the Taiwan Strait serves as a sea route between the South China Sea and the East China Sea. The correct answer becomes option B. Now, coming on to the next question, and that is, consider the following statements with reference to Tanzania. First, it is located north of the equator in the African continent. It borders Lake Victoria. And third is, it is considered part of the Great Horn of Africa. So, how many of the above statements are correct? Only one, only two, all three, or none? So, let us look at the answer. So, if we will talk about Tanzania, then Tanzania is a country which is present in the African continent, and if we will look at the surrounding countries, so that is, this is Tanzania, capital is Dodoma, and if we will talk about the surrounding countries of Tanzania, so that is Kenya, Uganda, then there is Rwanda, then Burundi, then comes the Democratic Republic of Congo, and then the Zambia, then Mozambique. And Malawi also, Tanzania shares its border. So, Tanzania is Mozambique, Malawi, Zambia, then this is Lake Tanganyika, then comes the Burundi, Rwanda, then this is Uganda, and this is Lake Victoria. So, the southern portion of Lake Victoria and the north of Tanzania are sharing border, and this is Kenya. So, Democratic Republic of Congo is not sharing border with Tanzania. So, Democratic Republic of Congo is not sharing border with Tanzania, as we just looked into it. Now, look at this map. This is the map of Africa and this is equator. And this is equator and this is the country Tanzania sharing border with Lake Victoria, and very clearly it is visible that Tanzania is lying to the south of equator, not to the north of equator. So, it is located north of the equator in the African continent, no. South of the equator. It borders Lake Victoria, yes. It is considered part of the Great Horn of Africa, no. Let us look at the map of the Great Horn of Africa also. Now, look at this map. So, if we will talk about the Great Horn of Africa, so the countries which are part of Great Horn of Africa is Djibouti, Eritrea, Ethiopia and Somalia. Now, look at this, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Djibouti and Somalia. They are part of the Great Horn of Africa, while on the other hand, Tanzania is lying much south to it. Now, let us see this. So, we have to talk about the correct statements. First is wrong, third is wrong, second is correct. It means only one is correct. So, the correct answer is option A, that is only one. Next question. Which one of the following is a part of the Congo Basin? And this is also a UPSC PYQ of the year 2023. So, Congo Basin, that is Cameroon, Nigeria, South Sudan or Uganda. So, if we will talk about the Congo Basin, so the Congo River Basin is located along the equator in the West Central Africa, and it is the Congo River's vast drainage area, and it includes the countries, that is the Republic of Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, Central African Republic, Zambia, Angola, Cameroon and Tanzania. Now, look at the map. So, this is the Congo Basin, and if we will talk about the countries which are becoming part of it, that is Angola, Zambia, then comes the country Cameroon, the south and the eastern side of Cameroon, that is the Central African Republic. What else was there? Central African Republic, yes. Zambia, yes. Angola, yes. Cameroon, yes. Then comes Tanzania is also a part of it. This is Tanzania. So, this is about the Congo Basin. So, which of the following is a part of the Congo Basin? Nigeria, no. South Sudan, no. Uganda, no. Correct answer is option A, that is Cameroon. Next question. And this is the practice question. And like always, you people will give me the answer in the comments below. So the question is, consider the following statements with reference to Mount Levotobi volcano. First, this volcano is located in South Nusa Tenggara province of Indonesia, and it is considered part of the Pacific Ring of Fire. So these are the two statements. You have to talk about the correct statement, and the options are only one, only two, both one and two, neither one nor two. So like always, pick up the atlas and then look at the location and give me the answer in the comments below. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.